Welcome to our channel. If you want to start a small business using SBA loans and free resources, follow these step-by-step instructions to access funding and support. Step 1. Visit the SBA website at sba.gov to explore free resources including business planning guides, financial templates, and training materials in the Learning Center. Step 2. Connect with a local small business development center or SCORE chapter for free one-on-one business counseling and mentoring. These resources help you develop your business plan and understand financing options. Step 3. Create a comprehensive business plan that includes your business description, market analysis, organizational structure, products or services, marketing strategy, and detailed financial projections. Step 4. Understand SBA loan types. The 7A loan program is the most common for general purposes. The CDC/504 program is for real estate and equipment, and microloans are for smaller amounts up to $50,000. Step 5. Check eligibility requirements for SBA loans, including operating as a for-profit business in the U.S., showing reasonable owner equity investment, exploring alternative financing first, and demonstrating ability to repay. Step 6. Find an SBA-approved lender, since the SBA doesn't lend directly to businesses. Use the SBA's Lender Match tool to connect with lenders interested in your industry and location. Step 7. Prepare your loan application with required documents including business plan, financial statements, tax returns, legal documents, ownership information, and collateral information. Step 8. Submit your loan application to the lender, who will review it and forward it to SBA if needed. Be prepared to provide additional information and wait several weeks for approval. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.